Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, dear students. I am Rezaul Islam Reza, lecturer in English, Bagasara Siddiqia Fajil Degree Madrasa. Thank you, dear ones. Today I am to go to take a class on English first paper. Dear students, you know, in your textbook there are 15 units and 56 lessons. Today I want to teach you English for today, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Let's see. This is your text and it's my second class. So I want to give you a lesson on Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and its unforgettable history, especially the speech of Bangabandhu, the father of the nations. Unforgettable speech. You know, the speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is unique. It is uncomparable. And in your Unit 1, Lesson 1, Unit 1 deals with some extraordinary figures, some legendary characters in the world. First of all, the father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Dear students, you know, this is not participatory class because you are absent from the class because of coronavirus. So please, let's see the whiteboard warm-up activity. First, what do you know about Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? It is known to all that Bangabandhu Mujibur Rahman is the father of the nation. He is the most famous political leader in Bangladesh. He is the legendary political figures in the whole world. He is not only a political leader, he is a humanitarian actor, activist. So Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is one and unique in the world. During the pre-liberation, his speech inspired the people. This is why the freedom-loving people of Bangladesh went to the battlefield and have captured the freedom of Bangladesh. Second, where and when his speech was given. You know, Racecourse Maidan is very much famous because of Sheikh Mujib's speech. In 17th March 1971, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman delivered his speech. Why his speech is unique? Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's speech is so much famous because this speech has been recognized by UNESCO November 1, 2017. So it is unique and unforgettable. Okay, dear students, let's see. Now, I want to read out some lines from your text. Unit on People or Institutions Making History, the Unforgettable History, by which the people of Bangladesh were inspired. This is the speech of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. My brothers, I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. You are fully aware of the events that are going on and understand their import. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation. And yet, unfortunately, the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur are awash with the blood of our brothers. The people of Bengal now want to be free. The people of Bengal now want to live. The people of Bengal now want to their rights. In first few lines, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman expresses his deep concern and frustration not to constitute a government. We know in the prehistory, in the election of 1954, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and his Awami League won the election, but the Pakistani government did not allow him to constitute a government. I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief, and he expresses, what have we done that was wrong? After the elections, the people of Bangladesh voted as one for me, for the Awami League. We were to sit in the National Assembly, draft a constitution for ourselves there, and build our country. The people of this land would thereby get economic, political, cultural freedom. But it is with regret that I have to report you today that we have passed through 23 tragic years. Bengal's history of those years is full of stories of torture inflicted on our people, of blood shed by them repeatedly. 23 years of history of men and women in agony. Dear students, if I translate, you can see. I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. ভাইয়েরা আমার, দুঃখ ভারাক্রান্ত মন নিয়ে আমি তোমাদের সামনে আজ উপস্থিত হয়েছি। You are fully aware of events that are going on and understand their report. আপনারা সবই জানেন এবং সবই বোঝেন। We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation. আমরা সর্বোচ্চ চেষ্টা করছি আমরা পরিস্থিতির সাথে খাপ খাওয়ানোর জন্য। And yet unfortunately, এবং আজও দুঃখজনক হলেও, the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi and Rangpur are awash with the bloods of our brothers. ঢাকা, চট্টগ্রাম, খুলনা, রাজশাহী, রংপুরের রাস্তাগুলো আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রঞ্জিত। দ্য পিপল অফ বেঙ্গল নাও ওয়ান্ট টু বি ফ্রি। বাংলার মানুষ এখন মুক্তি চায়। দ্য পিপল অফ বেঙ্গল নাও ওয়ান্ট টু লিভ। বাংলার মানুষ বাঁচতে চায়। অ্যান্ড দ্য পিপল অফ বেঙ্গল নাও ওয়ান্ট টু দেয়ার রাইটস। এখন বাংলার মানুষ অধিকার চায়। ইন দ্য ফার্স্ট ফিউ লাইন্স, বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান expresses his deep concern and he wants to inspire the people. Dear students, if we follow the first few lines, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman expresses grief, expresses sorrows because we have a lot of torture and sufferings on us inflicted by the Pakistani government. In next few lines, there is a historical background. In 1954, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman won the election, but he did not make or constitute a government. In 1958, Ayub Khan declared martial law. In 1966, he launched 6-point movement, and then on 7th June, the boys of Bangladesh, the students of Bangladesh, were compelled to live, to dedicate their lives. In the mass movement of 1969, Yahya Khan assumed power and he gave commitment to Sheikh Mujibur Rahman that the doors of negotiations have not been shut. The doors of negotiations are open, but we were tortured one by one. Sheikh Mujib on that day gave us a lot of directives through his historic and unforgettable speeches. Now we want to say about some textual questions. You know, first multiple choice question, second short question, third summary, flowchart and many others that have been said on the question paper from the text. And in my next class I will do about that. Thank you.